Let me give you a sneak peek. You see what's back there? You can't? Oh well, you gotta wait a little bit longer. I've wanted one of these for a long time now. Finally, on a dreary February morning, I was about to get my wish. The rain never stopped. It insisted on harassing me the entire trip. My journey would take me from Columbus, Ohio, all the way to Lawrenceburg, Kentucky. It wasn't a long trip, but the rain really forced me to concentrate. So at this point, I have no more footage of the day. I have no footage of meeting the people. I have no footage of me loading the GEM onto the trailer. I have no footage of me eating the Walmart parking lot, but whatever, here nor there. Can we just skip ahead to where it gets interesting? Let's talk about what I bought after I unloaded it into my backyard. All right, I'm done talking about it. You want to see what I got? This is a 2005 Polaris GEM. These go for anywhere from 3 to 8 grand, all electric. They're great for neighborhoods or grocery getting or
comfort, versatility, sustainability.
Getting a kid at school, stuff like that. This is pretty much what I've wanted for the longest time. I got the minivan just because it was cheaper, honestly. You could buy the minivan for 2 grand and it worked great, but you know, it still runs on gas. And I think it's kind of cool to be able to run 100% electric for 4 grand roughly. What? It needs some work, but not much. There's not much rust underneath of it, just the normal amount you find on the East Coast. Controller's fine, motor's fine. The first thing I'm going to do with this is do a lithium upgrade. That means I've removed 400 pounds of batteries from this, which is nothing but a dead weight. Those batteries don't last longer than 2 years anyhow, even if you baby them. So the lithium, you should be able to get 5 years out of them. Also, there's a huge performance boost with lithium. I'm excited about that. Some of the things I have planned for this, first off, like I said, is the lithium upgrade. Second off, I definitely want to paint the seats, but paint them the same color. They're just a little rough looking, a little faded. You can buy vinyl spray paint and spray them and they'll look a little bit nicer, a little less old. It's got neat paint on it. It's got this grayish metal flake, which is definitely an aftermarket paint. These normally come in stark white. So automatically it's a little bit cooler. LED on the lights and the turning signals all over the place, because LED is just more efficient, so why wouldn't you use it? I'll probably do stupid things to it, like a steering wheel or... Oh, don't forget, gotta put a roof rack on it. I'm gonna put car tires on this. These are the same tires you'd put on a trailer, and they're fine. But if you put car tires on it, you can get a few more miles per hour out of it, and it looks better. In the back, I plan on doing something back here. There is no storage on this, and there's supposed to be, but even if there was, the storage in it wasn't very good. There was this little plastic bucket back here, and if I'm gonna get groceries, I need something a little bit more durable. So hang out with me on this journey. We're gonna upgrade this, modify it, make it look, I think it's cool. Some people don't think it looks cool. We're gonna make it look a little bit cooler. We're gonna do that over the course of this summer in installments. So check back in soon and see if I've electrocuted myself or not yet.